morning! Good morning guys. Yung cellphone ko tuloy. Cellphone yung gamit ko kasi yung camera ko nasa car. Naiwan ko sa car. Ah, we're just waiting for Hallie to get ready. What happened? Can you get me a chair, please?
Daddy,
Can you get me a chair, please?
it's over.
No, in there. What a little chair there. Guys, good afternoon. Tanghali na pala. Tapos na ako mag-lunch. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog this morning kasi naiwan ko tong camera sa car. So, kakakuha ko lang dyan. And, mamaya, i-pick up na natin si ate. Yung lunch ko lang is egg, avocado, quinoa rice, and some salads. So, that's done. Mamaya, i-pick up na natin si ate niyan kasi meron siyang therapy. And sakto, nag-arrive na yung kanya. I think this is the, yung pina-order ng kanyang occupational therapist. Yung iPad na, tablet na for, ba to? It's called Nelly. It's for, diba? Mom Brian. Wait lang. Loading yung ating brain. Ayan, it's called Nelly. So, nabanggit ko na yata to sa previous vlog ko kasi nga yung morning nga sa amin yung pinaka mahirap. I mean, yung aming weekdays morning. But, so far so good si ate as in knock on the wood. Like before kami nagbakasyon sa Renmark, she was so good. Sleeping right through the night and waking up in the morning without any hindi cranky, alam mo yun, and walang mga reklamo. So, but this one, I still aim to order it just to be more organized kasi nga pwede mo ilagay dito lahat ng task niya for the day, lahat ng mga gagawin namin for the day, and para alam niya, i-click niya na lang. Kasi I've tried visual, meron din siya ng Proloco to go niya. Ano ba yun? And alam mo yung visual na ganito. Ano ba yun? Ayan, literal na kiniring, ano pa yan? Ito, yung binding, nakaganyan pa yan, nakakwintas pa yan sa kanya. Wala, hindi nagana. So far, so good naman siya ngayon, no? So, hopefully, it'll continue talaga. And this, with having this one, it will be much better. Kasi, si Riker, ilalagay ko rin siya dito para alam niya rin. Kasi pwede kang maglagay ng mga rewards nila. Alam mo yun. So, it says here, say hello to calmer days, capable kids, and less mental load for you. Kasi alam mo naman pag sa umaga, like, hoy, pagbihis ka na. Alam mo yun, you keep nagging. Pero at least dito, diretso na sila dito. Dahil alam niyo naman yung mga bata ngayon, more on gadgets, visual na. So, ganito pala yung itsura niya. Ganyan siya kalaki. Ayan. So, ilalagay ko lang yan dito sa, or dito sa kitchen bench. So, yan, iset up namin. Dadaling ko ito mamaya sa therapist niya because they'll help me set it up. So, I'll charge it quickly. And turuan nila ako paano to i-connect. So, yan yung mga tasks, example tasks nila meron na dito. So, morning routine. So, wake up, make your bed, get dressed. Alam mo yun. And pwede mo siyang lagyan ng stars. And I will just encourage them more to do tasks like after they do their homework, get ready for kung anong activity nila, like swimming. And you can give them reward. Like kunyari, reward nila is 20 minutes of iPad or an ice cream. So, yeah. So obviously I'll do both their accounts dyan, bilang si ate, para it will be good for Riker din naman. Si Riker pala si Ben na magsusundo sa kanya mamayang hapon. So, yeah. Mag-ready na ako kasi 12:21 na. Ay, wala akong masyadong nagawa today. I mean, nag-tidy up lang ako dito sa sala. And may kailangan pa akong isampay. I've just been resting kasi masakit yung likod ko. I don't know why. And yung dito ko yung lower abdomen ko kaninang umaga. Nung binibihisan ko si ate. And hinintay ko mag-get ready yung kids. Medyo masakit yung dito ko. So, yeah. Nag-rest lang tayo. Nag-rest lang ako kanina. Ngayon lang ako tumayo. Para magluto and kumain. So yeah, I'm very proud of ate kasi before, struggle talaga yung umaga namin kasi alam niyo yun, yung normal typical kids na kapag ginigising mo sa umaga, lalo na kapag school week, is bagal bumangon, dami reklamo, ilang beses mo pa sasabihan. I mean, doble yun kapag sa mga kids on the spectrum, like, you know, doble-doble yung patience mo. And hindi mo rin alam kung gaano katagal yung meltdown nila or yung... So, yun lang. Yung mga maliliit na reklamo niya lang here and there. Ayan yung itsura niya. Alisin ko pa pala. May plastic pa pala dito. Naka-wifi pa pala siya. Ayan, dito na tayo sa school ni ate, but I'm still early. So, 1:45 kasi palagi yung kanyang speech and OT. Magkasama yun, kinombine ko yun because it will help more sa kanya kapag together silang dalawa. So, mostly kasi marami rin na. Mostly kasi separate, diba? Separate yung speech and then OT. Ayan. Oh my God, kakakuha ko lang ng enrollment form ni Riker. Can you believe? Mag-i-start na siya dito next year sa school ni ate. Nakakaloka. Well, sana dito pa rin si ate talaga sa school year next year. Ano, we'll see. Kasi malalaman ko pa lang yan this mid-year kung pwede na siya sa mainstream. Kasi wala sila ditong special class for year 3. Grade 3 to grade 6. Hanggang grade 6 lang kasi to primary school. So, we'll see. Pero kung hindi siya mag-transfer ng mainstream dito, then kailangan ko maghanap ng other school na pwede mag-cater kay ate. And baka doon ko na lang din i-enroll si Riker. Kasi ayoko naman mag-drive ng dalawang school, no? Yan, bahay na pala kami ni ate, guys. I'm just getting her to clean up the playroom. Plus 4 na. So, ayan, na-clean up niya na yan yung kanyang magnet blocks. Good girl. Pakanta pa siya. Dinner time na, you guys. I'm just waiting for the potato for the kids and then yung amin yung lamb. Ito. Potato and lamb. Good morning! Tapos na pala mag-almusal and so vitamin na si ate para mag-base na siya. Nabungal na pala yan. Nawala na yung tooth niya sa taas. Ay, si Riker ready na siya eh. Up we go. Thank you, ate. It's very cloudy lately. And you guys, tingnan nyo to. Hindi ako nag-vlog kahapon, but I bought some plants from Bunnings. Vegetable and fruits.
And we gotta grow some.
Grow some.
Fruits.
Yeah.
And we gotta grow all these plants and we gotta pick
And itong modular na garden bed. So, mamaya i-set up natin yan. Yeah, para may magawa naman tayo. So, let's go to school. Bye, Ball. We're not gonna bring that to the car. See you later, Ball. I have to go to the city pala, guys, after this. After I drop them off, because I gotta pick up all the papers.
Mommy,
Yes.
I think these.
Good job putting your own shirts on. I think I need like a stool here. Okay. Okay lang kayo? Okay na yan. It's Daddy. You show them how you put your own seatbelt on? Daddy's calling, I think. Daddy palagi wrong timing ah. Ay, I'm tired. Whew, I need to buy some on. Oh, you have orange top naman. Kasi Harmony Day pala. So, Friday, Harmony Day. Yes, babe. Good job. They're good. We're getting in the car now. Good job, Riker. Yan. Maaga pa naman tayo. Di pa late si ate. Sa ate, I dropped them off. I have to go to the city again. Yesterday, galing na ako dun actually. Kaso, nagkamali sila sa isang document. Ay, it's their fault. So, hassle na nga eh. Kakainis. Lalo na ngayon, mahal-mahal ng gas. So, isang document lang yung na-pick up ko kahapon na na-notarize niya. And yeah, yung isang document mali. So, kailangan kong balikan. Kahapon hindi ko na siya mabalikan kasi nga may ultrasound ako kahapon. So, insert ko dito yung konting clip kay baby. He's all good. He's a good boy. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hindi na tayo sa city. It's 10:07. And nakakuha ko ng street parking. Half an hour. Saglit lang lang dun. So, bili tayo ng ticket kasi paid parking. Dito lang sa city. Ay, maulan pa. Ayan, magpa-kill time tayo dito sa mall, guys. Kasi konting oras na lang, pipikatin ko na si ate. And may mga bibilin din akong pangregalo. Because kaklase ni Harley, my birthday. And wala ko nakitang car park dito sa under car park. So nagpa-car wash lang ako, guys. Kasi madami na rin yung loob ng car. So, tayo, mag-lunch na rin tayo dito. Happy 11:11. Lunch na tayo. So nag-order ako po. Pero in a cup na lang kasi baka hindi ko na naman maubos. Ayan, nag-order ako ng sweet potato chips nila. Ang sarap nito. Yeah. Ano to? Beef and chicken. Kain tayo. Guys, bahay na pala kami ni ate. And nakapag-shower na yan. It's already 4:26 you guys. And we're still waiting for Ben and Riker to come home. So maybe I might start putting setting up my garden bed. Hindi ko alam kung baka hintayin ko si Riker. Kasi tulungan nila ako niyan. Itanim yan. Kasi I bought them some gloves. It's ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. Bloody government agencies, sluggies. Cute.
It's exciting.
That is so cute. It's so cute, man.
Oh, look, it's so easy to put up. So I got 3 here. Garden
So
bed.
he's been helping with the plants.
Yet I haven't found the plants. Pag ganyan lang siya. Ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Sa tatlo neto. Ganyan siya kalalim. Ayan nyo, guys. Diyan ko siya ilalagay. I don't think I'm gonna use the stand na. Isa lang kasi yung stand niya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Oh. Ayan. Diba? Ginamit ko na yung paa ko. Ayan. Ganito kasi yung itsura niya. Ayan. Gusto ko naman maarawan yung nasa ilalim. So, pag ganyan na lang. Meron kasi kami sunlight din dito. So, kasi ngayon lang kasi makulimlim yung makita. But, yeah. Decided siya. Dito ko siya ilalagay. Parang mag-green din ng konti dito sa gilid ng bago. So, ito kasi inyo. Walang king. Ayan, kaya na lang muna yung itsura niya. So, I'm thinking putting the strawberry dito and then carrots and then broccoli doon. So, ayan guys, bumili ako ng compost and ng potting mix na pang vegetables and fruits and then ito fertilizer. So, lagay ko yan sa strawberry. And itong perlite para para siyang pwede siyang sand para ma-mix lang ng konti, hindi ganun siya ka rich. Ayan. Napili ko yung broccoli, carrots, and strawberries kasi yung palagi namin kinakain guys. So, and then maganda daw siyang itanim na ngayon na autumn, early autumn. So, ewan ko bakit pinagtabi pa ni Bento, ang bigat-bigat na ito. So, nagbumili ako sa Bunnings. Tinawag ko siya kasi sabi ko, ang bigat pala babe ng compost tsaka nitong potting mix. So, to the rescue naman siya. Ngayon, paano natin mapapayaan kasi ang bigat. 25 liters. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito ilalagay. Hindi ko siya maubos lahat. Pili ko maubos naman natin. Okay.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Ayan, isang bed lang yung nagawa ko guys. Hindi ko pa natanim yung plant. Bukas na lang kasi mamaya bibili pa kami ng more bags ng compost and ng potting mix. I'll put all the strawberries there. Tama naman lang yun. Tama lang naman yung spacing nila.
Mommy, what was that smell?
What smell, baby?
What was that smell?
That will be the spacing, baby. Is that okay? Because it says, you guys, on the road na pala kasi may titinan niya kami yung bahay. Ayan si ate. And Rika, I'm not sure if he's asleep. Oh, he's awake. Huh?
No, he's
He's asleep. Oh my God. Hindi na yan nagbihis kasi malinis naman siya from school kasi nga hindi naman sila lumabas kasi umaulan nga kanina, diba? So, ibaba lang namin sa door nila Reyes yung regalo namin kay Arlo. Okay, punta tayo kasi maaga pa kami sa bahay. So, ito na lang yung binigay namin kay Arlo. Malaki niyan, yung favorite ni Harley. So, yan, ang ganda, no? Tignan niyo yung kitchen niya. The vintage. We'll go to Bunnings now kasi kulang nga ako na ating potting mix. Simple tayo potting mix. Habang kasama natin si Ben. Kasi mabigat yun. Para magawa ako na bukas. Ang ganda ng sunset. Is it there? Okay. Okay, dito kami sa Bunnings. I like her.
Like it go that one.
Oh yeah, the hose. Ayan si Ben. Open naman to hanggang 9 eh. Good job, Bobby. What are you gonna put there?
I put some water.
What?
The playground.
Oh no, it's closed now.
Oh, but it's not big.
Look at all the barbecue, baby.
I like the broccoli.
Let's have a look at more plants and potting mix.
Mommy, this plant.
Ano?
See? That you
Si ate pala nandito.
It's not plant. That is so.
Where are the fruits? Oh, vegetables in there. Sundan muna natin si Daddy sa kanyang potting mix.
Mommy, look at the butterfly over there.
I know, that's cute, isn't it? Look at all the cactus. Are they spiky?
Spiky is, I don't like it, but I like it.
You don't like it? Huh?
Hey, what's that?
Ano. Thank you, Daddy.
That is so heavy.
Water, and then the compost to babe.
Mommy,
Maybe they have the bark here, the dark bark.
Mommy, why is Daddy's not putting the trolley in?
Later, we'll put some plant there. Ayan, look at all the fruit trees. Oh. Ay, flower pala yun dyan. Ano pala yun sa kabila yung fruit trees. Ay, kami na ate. Hindi yan climbing area. Dai. Uy, talaga naman. Halika na dito. Eh? Yeah.
I can't get it.
It's heavy. That's why we have Daddy. The same brand, babe. The same brand. Yeah. Get the same brand. You have to get your trolley. What is that smell? Yan, kailangan namin ng black bark. Kasi lagay niya sa front yard.
Mommy, I like it. Oh, Mommy.
What's that smell, Raika? Did you part?
Does it smell like the pot I got?
Ito yung kailangan ko, yung sugar cane na mulch. Pero ang laki-laki na kasi. Nalagay ko sa top ng strawberry para hindi siya that's a pak choy. So dito tayo sa nila, vegetables.
It's not a toy.
No, pak choy, not toy. Bingi yarn. Ito may lettuce, oh.
Mommy.
Pero parang gusto ko ng basil. Basil. Ay, we got spinach na lang pala, guys. Dagdag natin, tabi natin sa broccoli natin. We need some watering can.
Oh,
Good morning! Kape tayo, guys. Mag-ready na rin kami. Are Rikers ready now? So Hollis is gonna get ready. Okay?
hello guys, it's Monday.
Tuesday.
Hello guys, it's Monday.
Tuesday, guys.
No, it's not. It's Monday.
Which better, Sai? This one?
I do.
Yeah, hindi sila pumasok kahapon because Riker have CNAT. I don't know why. Wala naman siyang running nose or baka meron siyang sore throat. I don't know. Hindi naman siyang maubo eh. So, di sila pumasok na dalawa kasi si Harley din nag-party-party sa gabi.
Money. Hello guys, it's
Nag-
Tuesday.
Harley woke up at Monday 1:30 a.m. and she didn't get back to sleep at
Why'd you call me my man?
oh, may ganyan talagang episode dyan si ate. Kapag, maybe I think it's once a fortnight now or twice a fortnight. You know,
Mommy,
2 times in 2 weeks. Magigising yan siya na madaling araw.
Mommy, can you put
So, di ko na pinapasok.
Mommy, can you...
You wanna put it on pa? So, today, Riker's not gonna go to school. He'll stay with me. Thank you, baby.
Baby.
Nagkaka-post ko lang pala kagabi sa Pinoy in Adelaide na kailangan ko ng babysitter yun.
Oh my goodness.
Babysitter / housekeeper na rin. Eh?
What
We
you
need that. We need that because how is mommy gonna recover? I need that, you guys, kasi unfortunately makapunta si Ate Grace. Or si Ate Vic dahil nga walang base. But, anyway, so kailangan natin ng plan B.
I'm gonna go in the block.
Kasi suppose ako sa Pinoy yung na kailangan ko ng babysitter. Kailangan ko lang naman mainly in the morning kasi si Ben maaga umaalis.
I'm gonna go.
And
Hello guys.
he's really busy. I can't really. I mean, he's probably gonna take
I wanna take the block.
a month off, but it's probably not gonna be continuous, no, not every day. Because Daddy is busy. Hey, Harley, can you put this one on? Thank you.
Mommy, he's not. Daddy's at work.
Yeah. And then, mainly nga, kailangan ko lang sa morning. So, getting the kids ready. Alam niyo naman kapag recovery ka pa lang and wala kang tulog. Need someone getting them ready in the morning. If I find someone that can drive, so that will be a great help if they can drop them. May mahar akong marunong mag-drive and ma-drop sila sa school. That will be a plus. Pero, yeah. And then after that, getting them ready and then getting some house chores done like laundry, tupi, alam niyo yun. So, yun ang kailangan ko you guys. And then some days like, so probably morning till 2 o'clock. And then, kapag Wednesday, because they have therapy, Wednesday and Friday, they have to stay till 4 at least. Kasi natatapos, nakakauwi ako ng bahay normally noon 4 o'clock. Right? 4:15. You want me to do it? Mommy, help? Debaters na si Madam. Okay. Okay. Good. Kiel. Nag-ready naman na yan si ate mag-isa nga. But,
Mommy,
kailangan pa rin ng guidance kasi, alam mo yun, she's slow and takes her time and, you know, giving them breakfast, making her lunch. Si ate pa lang naman yung ginagawa ng lunchbox kasi si Riker may pagkain naman doon sa
hey, what are you doing, mister?
school. And he goes to school Monday to Wednesday.
Hey!
Yeah, we need a ate. We need the ate to help us, eh?
Ow!
Ate, help us, please.
Why are you getting my beer?
I'm talking to them. I'm telling them that we need some help because Tita Grace and Ate Zoe can't come. And of course, Tita Big can't come. Eh?
But now,
When baby boy comes, we need someone to help us. Eh?
what people can we help us?
Which people? That's why mommy is trying to find one.
I want to
A
go.
tita, another tita to help us, okay?
Yay!
Because mommy can't do it all.
What?
Mommy's trying to be a superwoman, but mommy, can't do it all.
What you say? Toppy around.
No, someone's gonna help you get you dressed, get your breakfast.
Why you going with you?
Because mommy will have no sleep with baby boy, with baby brother.
But he can sleep here by himself.
He can sleep by himself, yeah.
Mommy.
No, but I have to wake up.
Mommy.
You know, when a baby comes, they wake up every like an hour, 2 hours. And mommy
Mommy.
have to feed the baby.
Mommy.
Mm.
Want me to buy a butter for the baby for the milk, but want me to buy a bed for the baby.
Yeah, we need to buy a bed. But when daddy's free, because daddy's gonna carry, because it's heavy.
The box is too big enough.
Yeah,
It won't fit in the trolley.
it will fit in the trolley, but I need someone to carry it, right? Really needs prompting lang talaga kapag may stack up siya eh. So, here ka, Baba. She needs, one person assist pa din. Okay. Nag-order ako sa Shein kagabi ng mga leggings. We'll see. Kasi hindi ko pa na try yung bumili dun ng mga maternity before. Ay! Nilalagyan ko na lang pala to ng
What are you
tubig ng
doing?
filtered water. Kasi ubos na siya, guys. I make her own lunch. Pardon? Yeah, I can't understand you right there. What are you trying to say?
Again,
Huh?
like
Are you talking Tagalog?
Tagalog,
What are you trying to say?
the M.
The what?
The M. I just gonna M's.
What's that?
NPM.
What's that?
And I said NPM.
NPM. What's that?
K-Mark.
Oh, you're trying to spell it so hard I can't understand it. Oh, you're funny. Oh, you're funny.
K-Mark.
Why? What are you gonna buy there?
I'm in the K-Mark in Hardy. I gotta buy some Hardy dress.
Oh. But she can't buy whatever what she wants, though. Nilipit ni ate yung subway na scrunchy. Hey, she wants to see herself in the mirror. Excuse me, like her.
Mommy, the white sock is like the same.
What?
The white socks.
Yeah, your white socks the same because we got that in the Philippines, think.
Yeah. They got white socks.
Hindi ka naman mag-i-school eh. Wow.
Big.
Guwapo ka. Okay, all done. Let's brush our teeth.
Yeah.
Ah!
Hi, first.
Fit check si Buntis. Itong aking ano. Ito sa Shein ko to na ano. Nabili before. So, kasya ko pa rin naman siya. And black tank lang. And then itong ating ano. Cute. Oh my God, you guys. Nadap na pala namin si ate. Ako na talaga umiyak sa umaga. But anyway. And filling up kasi some enrollment form for Riker next year kasi mag-school na siya next year. Can you believe that? Kasi hindi na siya this year. And kumuha ko ng enrollment form for Harley School now. Para malagay ko na rin siya doon. Although, hindi pa naman ako sure kung mag-stay si ate niyan yun doon next year kasi hanggang year 2 lang yung meron sila sa special option nila na class doon. So, pero just in case mag-transfer naman si Harley sa mainstream, at least napasa ko na yung enrollment form din ni Riker. Because Riker starts term 1. Hindi katulad ni Harley na nag-start siya ng midterm kasi November naman si Harley. But anyway, I just got emotional filling up the form kasi meron dito yung medical condition and help support for student and you know, nakakaano lang na mag-write ka na. Iti-take mo yung no kasi, you know, blessed with Riker doesn't have any, but I remember with Holly.
Yes.
Yeah. It's hard.
Well, I have done other things in my life to be proud of.
I feel sorry. Kasi hindi naman niya. It's not her fault. And then with Riker now, it's like parang ang simple lang.
You know,
And I'm grateful.
the more I think about it, the more I think I should.
Ayan, dito na pala kami sa mall, guys. Kala ko nandito pa yung Korean na ano, hindi na kami punta doon banda sa may Costco eh. Dito na lang malapit sa amin, kaso wala pa pala dito. Kaso wala na pala ang Korean supermarket dito. Naging Tony and Marks na siya. So maglaro muna siya dyan and then we'll go to have lunch. Ayan, dito kami sa pancake house. Ay, kitchen ni Riker. Pancake house.
Hey,
We're gonna have pancakes on our cheeky amway. Okay?
don't tell Daddy the pancake.
Don't tell Holly too. Yeah? What?
Tell Daddy.
Don't tell Daddy why? Because
But
last time,
last time I was eating macros.
I know. And what did Daddy told you? Don't tell Mama.
Don't tell Mommy, but Mommy's angry at Daddy, no?
Because she ate macas.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
No.
Mommy, we eating macros in Mommy's car, but we saw airplane
Oh, did you saw airplane?
100 times.
Oh, that's a lot of times. That's a lot of airplane.
But Eva got me.
I know, that's Maris. Oh my God, look at that. What a lucky boy. Ito yung akin.
Mommy,
Yes?
what's this?
That's a cream. Ice cream.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do?
We're here at Big W. Let's go, keep going. We're gonna buy a present.
Colors.
For someone. Yeah, so I ordered some pants sa Shein kasi ang pangit ng mga maternity clothes nila dito. Ayan, gamit namin yung maliit na trolley guys kasi yung adult na trolley nila kailangan nalagyan ng coins para ibabalik mo talaga. Oh, yung maliit na lang. Let's go, Riker. We're gonna find some coloring in books. Ayan, nakapag-nap na si Riker guys. Mga 45 minutes na yan, natutulog. And gising ko na yan siya or buhatin ko kasi susundo na kami kay ate. Ayan, dinner na pala kami guys. Yan yung sa kids. And ito yung sa amin, steak. Yum. What do you say, baby?
Mommy,
Yes?
where's my spaceship?
Oh, I don't know. Harley's been playing with it.
Yeah, but proper.
Ayan pala yung kay Harley guys. Yung leftover kasi yan yung ulam nila kahapon. Kagabi. So, tortang giniling yan. Ayan, kain tayo. Sarap.
Oh, water, please.
Water the plants. Namatay na yung isa guys. Kaloka. Ewan ko ba't namatay yung isang carrots. Mabubuhay pa kaya yan, Char? Good job, Riker. You don't want the strawberries to die, hey? Yeah, itong isang carrots namin namatay na. I don't know why. Sabi pulsan naman. Si broccoli and spinach, okay naman.
Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You say